Yes.
How you doing? I'm a Christian abolitionist calling for equal justice and equal protection under the law for all human life. Just like the abolitionists of old. What do you think, my friend? I'd be curious if you can articulate your view and if you could defend it. Nah, that's okay. Maybe keep taking classes and maybe you'll be prepared enough to engage in a civil discussion, maybe with somebody that disagrees with you. I know it's a scary thing, but hopefully you'll learn something as a law student. You're welcome. I'm a Christian abolitionist, just like the abolitionists of old. William Lloyd Garrison, Frederick Douglass, Harriet Beecher Stowe, etc., where they were the voice for people that had no voice. And so now I'm here in the 21st century as a modern-day abolitionist. Just like in slavery, it was an evil, legalized evil to enslave another person. And now we have a legalized evil in our day that we can slaughter innocent little babies in the womb.
Oh, that's awful.
It is awful.
It is.
God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
If you could lead me, direct me to a civil rights attorney, that'd be great.
Why is that?
Because I'm going through a hardship.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm not a student here.
Oh, I'm going to ask the library to see,
Okay.
if they may have some.
May God bless you and I find justice. Thank you, sir. Yep. Yep, we're living in the midst of a Holocaust. I think it could be defended that well over between 60 to 100 million babies have been slaughtered under the guise of law in the United States since 1972, 73. It's a legalized evil that we have in our day. And what people do is they dehumanize, and that's why I'm using a victim sign. During slavery times, there's a guy named Gordon. You may have seen the picture. There's a guy with his back all welted up because they whipped him. They took a picture and they circulated the picture because people's hearts, even in the North, were hard-hearted towards slaves. And when they saw the picture, they said, wow, these people are actually being really hurt and oppressed. And so that's called a victim photograph. This is a victim sign, trying to move people with a heart of compassion, that they would see that, people will say, I've had students actually argue that preborn babies are parasites. They dehumanize them, that they're just a clump of cells, because they don't want to recognize the humanity, that all life is made in the image of God, even from the moment of fertilization, and they should have equal justice and equal protection under the law. It's a human rights issue, and all I'm asking for is the same laws that protect you and I would protect preborn babies. That lady's dog over there has more protection under the law than a preborn child in the womb. And we live in a nation, we live in a state where the most dangerous place is in a woman's womb. More deaths take place inside of women's wombs than in any other place in our state or in our country. And I think the number's well over 100 million, but we don't have precise statistics. We have some knowledge of some statistics, but between 60 to 100 million people, human lives have been slaughtered under the guise of law. And Americans don't care. I've often wondered, what happened to a culture that would allow other human beings to be oppressed like slavery times or during Nazi Germany, and all I have to do is stand up on UConn School of Law and hold a picture of an actual slaughtering of a human being, and I can see how a whole culture, a whole society can be hard-hearted towards the oppressed. And there's nobody more oppressed in our society today than preborn babies, human lives in the womb. I mean, I can't, as a man, I can't kill a child in the womb. If I did that, I would be arrested, probably tried with murder, probably. But women can. They can with impunity, and impunity means without fear of punishment, can kill their children in the womb without fear of the law. And so there is not equal justice and equal protection under the law for all humans. We give special murder rights to women, that they can kill the body within their body, because it is a separate human being. I mean, if you just want to talk science, that body in the body is not her body. Yep, that body is being sustained by her body, but it's not her body. It's a whole separate human being with his or her own DNA. Will have their own eye color, hair, face, being, and yet we get to kill them. Well, we don't. You and I don't, my friend. But women do. They have special murder rights. Yes, sir. Hey, come on. Can you make an argument? Come on. Let's make an argument. I think you're an intellectual coward and you cannot articulate your position. So you say things like that. I'll be glad to discuss it with you. But cowards run when no one chases it. That's what the Bible says. See, you're afraid, son.
You're not here.
You're afraid, son. Come on. Let's hear your argument then. See that's what I found about UConn law students. They cannot argue, articulate, have a conversation.